is right there. We have our layout. That's Trading Pro layout, and this is the layout we use that ICT taught to TDR trades, and we're using it for value gaps, liquidity sweeps. We break it down from the higher time frame to the lower one, and over here we have a bunch of indicators. The bad layout, the Day Trading Pro layout. This is the best one is this one right here, and this is the Day Trading Pro layout. And I added VWAP on this one because I don't know, I just felt the urge to need to add VWAP for the breakup structure and see how, I don't know, VWAP's probably the only indicator that's really reliable on a lower time frame, like the 5 minute, and then you don't really need anything on the higher time frame. Ain't no indicators, none of that. Breakup structure, you can see how the market moves. A lot of other people will be like, oh well, you know, you don't need VWAP, you know, for the lower time frame, you don't need any indicators to trade at all. But I just want to have that extra reassurance with VWAP, so to hone my entries a little bit better. Just don't. But over here though, this is a different story. These charts right here are different stories. We have at least 4 indicators: EMA, VR, VP, 3 EMAs, and then we have the MACD, the RSI, and we have the stochastic, the Stotch, and then Buller bands, and VWAP over here on the 5 minute and the 1 hour, and then this is the 1 hour and then the 5 minute. And let me tell you, why not use both? That's what I thought to myself. Why not use both? One right here is so powerful. It's amazing to trade on this one, but this one is like a extra layer of reassurance too, with all the indicators and the structure. And I don't know, just indicators, they're lagging, but they do bring a little reassurance whenever you know where the market's moving, and they give you more confirmation. ICT membership, we started it. Finish this channel. We're studying this one next, but I want to plan on studying this one more and finishing it. Taking notes. This is the market predictor. Alright guys, we're going to be trading, we're going to be watching the inner trade circle today. And today we were paper trading, and then I was paper trading in school, and it was kind of crazy because we made and then we lost. I wasn't really paying attention though to the trade. It wasn't as focused. My mind was getting distracted. But look at that, we're currently down. Bring this up, currently down on the SPY 78. I should have just took one trade because we did make a good amount today on SPY. Traded it earlier. We made a good amount. I don't know why I keep it lagged on me. I tried to sell twice and it just sold twice for some reason. But yeah, we made a good trade today. Today's 04. Today's 04, right? Alright. Bought one at 2, sold it at 25. Bought one at 17, we sold it 2.15 for some reason. I don't know why it's lagging like that, but that's basically it. This is the bad trade right here. That was like 2 fair value gaps, and then a big order block came in and just took me out, and I just got out.
Guys, I need to upgrade my accessories ASAP. I need to flip my money ASAP, bro. Alright, my game plan is to not hold my losers too long. That's one thing I've learned. The psychology, I need to have at least the 30-minute chart, and then, or the 1 minute, the 1 hour, and then I need to have the 1 minute open or the 2 minute. If you want to make a lot of money, you gotta swing trade in the beginning. A lot of people don't anticipate that. It was around this candle. I started to buy it right here. Bought a 383 put, and then I sold it around, it was around this wick, around 38.60, 38.160. So around here I sold it. That's the first trade I took. I saw, all right, so let me tell you why I took this trade. 1 minute. I saw this big fair value gap. Let me go back to right here, put this right there. I saw this big fair value gap going down, and then it was intraday. We peaked above. I was like, all right, we're gonna hit this low. We might retest and then go down, because we retested and we went down on the 1 minute. It's usually nice order block on the 1 minute right here. A change in direction, which is an order block. Fair value gap, that was an imbalance of the trade. That's the difference between them. A lot of people get them mixed up. Like, all right, is this an order block or is this just fair value block? No. And then liquidity is in the breakup structure. So use this one right here. So liquidity was right here, resting right there. Liquidity was also resting right there. Big order block right here. It tapped this zone again, and then it went down. It went down a lot, and it opened right here, and it went down. So I called the put. I was in the money for a little bit, and then I sold. Where did I sell at 12.41, 12.41, 12.41, right here. I sold right there, and then the next, I bought another one, or I sold another one. For some reason, it glitched. It literally glitched. I sold another one, and it was at 12.41.
Alright, we're currently moving 275 out of our savings account, or our brokerage, our old brokerage account. That was a Charles Schwab custodial account. probably reinvesting it into Forex. We're gonna be flipping Forex after that on MT5 account. What the guys, look, this trade played out so well for us. We're up again, 130. Look, all right, let me show you real quick what I traded. All right, first we traded, we bought at 383 puts, and then we sold 1004 in the 9. Currently, I know y'all see that, $200 into Robinhood. We have $200 into Robinhood buying power. Tomorrow we're gonna be day trading SPY. Hopefully we can buy a contract, bro, because this keeps saying it's like a couple racks. Like, not playing, it's saying it's like 300 something for one contract. Watching Inner Trade Circle, took our notes today. We jumped from episode, let's see, today we jumped from episode, I think it was, yeah, episode 6 all the way to episode, we're in episode 7 still. We're gonna watch episode 8 and 9 because they're kind of short, and then probably tomorrow we're gonna start watching episode 10, and I'll show you the Robinhood account. So we're gonna be trading that, and that's basically it. We're still gonna demo trade too. Let's go to the trades we took today. We took let's check the dates today. 855, 852, 844, 840. We took multiple trades. Took one. Alright, these are the demo account trades we took. We took them seriously today too, man. Had hella time, time to play with the money. We took a 263 put, and this is basically how it moves. This is the 1 minute, and then this is the 15-minute, I believe. And then I just saw it was going down, broke the lows of pre-marketers, and it hit our stop loss, and we got out, I believe. And then we took a SPY call at 379, I think 379 call, yep. And then I saw fair value gap, and then I saw the Fibonacci, and then I thought, we're in the discount, but why not? And then we hit the fair value gap, or supposedly my fair value gap. This is not a fair value gap. Now I'm watching ICT's membership, and it would have probably went down in my favor. And then the 379 call, we got $34 from it. And I called it 380 puts, 383 I think, but I think I called it 380 puts. Yeah, 380 put, and then it boom went up, and then it skyrocketed all the way down, and I got really scared, And then that's basically it. Hit 379. So let me go show you real quick how it looks. We profited $74. Performance, stock, SPY. Alright, so on QQQ we won $6. We sold at $9.39. Keep doing this to myself. Part 2. Robinhood didn't go first. They didn't go so good. We kind of, I guess, I'm not sticking to my plans. I'm not sticking to my rules right here. Of course, when you become a new trader or you need to trade, and you really don't stick to these plans. And I'm kind of a noob, so I don't know if I can see that. This is the account 124. We started at 280, 275 actually, but they gave us free stock. We're 124 right now. I don't know how to check my Robinhood history. 382 put January 6th, 16, and I originally, I wasn't able to see the charts there in one class, but that was our stop price at 0.83 and then 0.150 stop sell limit, and it didn't go for some reason. And this one too, we changed it, we moved it up the stop loss, and for some reason it didn't go, so we had to cash it out at 0.20, bro. What Robinhood, what is this, bro? The market, guys, was so crazy today on QQQ and SPY. We traded SPY right here. We traded early in the morning. Let me show you. I know exactly where I traded it, bro. Why didn't I anticipate this? I could have bought this, right? This is what happens when you don't trade your setup. So I bought a put around here, and then boom, skyrocketed up. I don't know why I bought a put. I thought it was gonna go down. This is what happens when you're not patient. You should have been patient right here. Boom, order block. Tap this order block twice, 3 times, and then it went up. Decided this is my punishment. Went to 200. Still got 4. And then we're going to study ICT. Tomorrow we're going to build computer, brother. And then, so I'm going to be studying a lot today, and then probably tomorrow I'm going to be studying a lot, and then Sunday too. And then we're going to be swing trading Monday. We're going to be seeing how the market is for TQQQ. We're going to be swing trading that for a little bit. And a lot of people are going to be, why do you keep trading? Or be like, why you keep trading? You're losing money, it's gambling, blah, 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 blah. But if you're really dedicated on something, you have a goal and you're driven for it, then, there's a lot of obstacles in the way that are going to be, that's the main thing about life. You have to overcome those obstacles, and a lot of y'all aren't willing to overcome those obstacles because y'all are too afraid, y'all give up too easily, or y'all aren't there mentally. It's all mental, really. You just push a button and it either goes up or down. You either win or lose, and that's basically trading. So the more knowledge you have on trading, and the more you learn, and the more experience you gain, the better trader you're gonna be overall. I keep making bad decisions when live trading with real money. I can demo trade, I can do this, keep practicing demo, but that's not gonna get me anywhere, bro. Like, demo trading versus live trading is way different. I'm telling you right now. Today I got, news. I don't know why I traded their news. Some days, you don't have to trade. You don't have to trade in those crazy volatile markets. And I had a stop loss, didn't get hit because that much volatility was in the market today. But you live and you learn, and we're here. All right, guys, we're on EP13 ICT. We paused the video. We're taking notes again. We started up another part 2 for his because after episode 10, it just started to get really hectic. I'll be scrolling for days after episode 10. After every 10 episodes, I'm just make a new page because it gets really hectic and I don't feel like scrolling down and just learning on the same page forever and ever and keep scrolling for a certain part. I want to have like multiple layers. And then I wrote down the Greeks, what they are and all that. And then I was backtesting yesterday and I was learning the trades on TradingView on the 4-hour chart. This is right here, this is TQQQ. I backtested, go back a random area because the price would be so crazy out of the ordinary, lowered it down to the time frame, drew my liquidity sweeps, and then lost this trade right here. As soon as I saw this retest right there, and I thought it was gonna go down and then to this area, and then I saw this, it swept liquidity. I knew it was gonna sweep it. So we're in a downtrend. I waited for it to retest, and it did retest it around here, and then it went down and it went above it. But these are the ones we have to take notes. These are very important videos. I do plan on going back on his other playlist too, his other playlist. Way of trading is probably the way I want to learn it, the best way, in my opinion, the best way of trading. Yeah, 2017 core membership, 2017 core membership. I want to see all of his playlists right here. Look at that. The Forex Scout Sniper Field Guide series. I'm gonna go study all of these leading up to the 2022. So yeah, that's basically my journey, and hopefully you guys are enjoying. Your boy Will. I do plan on changing the setup after we become a little bit profitable. After I've reinvested a lot of my money, I'm gonna take a little bit of it out, and it shouldn't hurt my pocket, and invest into my YouTube and eventually start going back into dropshipping after I perfect my craft in trading. So that's the thing. That's the thing, boys. That's the thing I want to do. I want to perfect my way of trading, even though it'll never be perfected, but I want to become profitable. Probably 60% every month, at least 60%, I don't plan on having every day green. I want to have 100%, 120%, all that. Just 60%, I want to have more winners than losers, of course, and I want to have my losers very short and my winners very big. I want to, equal it out and probably go further than the equilibrium price or the equilibrium amount of trade. I don't want it to be balanced out. I don't want it to be break even. I want it to be 60%. I want it to be 20% higher, and by a lot. I want it to be 80-20 actually. I want it to 80% of my trades have to be green, 20% have to be losers, and the losers have to be cut short. It have to be very, very small percentages, and the winners have to be a very big amount of percentage. But after we perfect the craft of trading, even though we never will, I want to start dropshipping eventually again. I started dropshipping in the beginning of this year, or my school year, 2022, August. I started dropshipping, and I want to get right back into that, even though it's probably oversaturated by now. Maybe start SSSMA, and just do these things for fun, actually, for content wise. I want to do it for fun, not perfect it like trading, because I feel like trading can actually be a good amount of income. It's time, location, and money freedom. The amount of money you put in, there's no salary cap as how much you can make on trading either, or how much you can lose either. There's no salary cap. So yeah. And then time, you can have time freedom. You can work in the forex market, the futures market, the stock market. There's multiple markets that are, the forex market's open 24/7 and it's closed on Saturdays, and you can trade, currencies. You can make money off of those if you know what you're doing. The spreads are pretty high, but if you have good leverage and you have a good lot size and you know what you're doing, in high trade forex. Even though I blew my forex account twice, but we don't talk about that. But it's a learning experience. I have nothing to lose, of course. I'm not bad. I'm not, time, location. You can trade on your phone whenever you want. Wherever you want. You could be on the beach trading. You could be in your house trading. You could be in a different country trading. Doesn't matter.